How to use keyframes on mobile, easy video editing tutorial. So in this video, I'll show you how you can easily add keyframes on CapCut on mobile. So to get started, go ahead and open CapCut on your mobile device and then select new video from here, and that will take you to your local drive. Select that photo or image that you want to add to your canvas, and then once it is added, go ahead and click on it on your canvas and then select this keyframe icon at the bottom right of the photo, and then go ahead and add a new keyframe by zooming in or zooming out or moving your photo into your canvas, so that will create this smooth zoom in transition. You can also add keyframes to text. So for example, I want to add the happy text into this canvas. So I'll simply type in happy, and then after that, simply select the font and then add the style for the specific text. So once you're done with this, go ahead and drag it into the area where you want to place it. So for example, I want to place this text above the photo. So I'll simply drag it there. So once I have finalized the style of this text, I'll simply drag it here and then make it bigger. Now simply click on this keyframe button to be able to add a keyframe for the start of the transition, and then after that, simply drag the text down to add the transition, and once played, it will look like this. And that is how you can basically use keyframes on mobile, easy video editing tutorial.